Lou Dobbs Tonight.
Well, this broadcast has been documenting for months now the empty talk in Washington, D.C. about rising energy prices. Congress holding hearing after hearing, taking absolutely no action, and no solutions being offered from Washington, D.C. at least. Carrie Lee has our report.
Congress has held over 40 hearings this year on skyrocketing oil and gas prices with no solutions. Some lawmakers admit to the ineffectiveness in Congress.
Everybody goes home, everybody buys gas, everybody knows it's high, and none of us in this place are going to do one doggone thing between now and the time that we leave here.
Don't you think if Congress had the magic wand and could lower the gas prices tomorrow, we would have done it?
Republicans are pushing for more drilling.
The reason the oil companies can't proceed is that they have been stopped by roadblocks by radical environmentalist groups that won't let them drill.
Democrats are stuck on conservation and tax breaks for alternative fuel.
None of those things are going to matter very much in the short run. We need a long-range, innovative policy. Whether it can get done under a lame duck president who's threatened to veto climate legislation is a big question.
The National Commission on Energy Policy proposed a bipartisan long-term energy strategy to Congress 3.5 years ago when oil was trading in the low 40s. Ironically, 10 senators from both parties are now calling for energy experts to come up with a plan.
There's enough flag waving, enough rhetorical spin from both parties, and we really want to look at something that can pass, that can get the price of oil down and close our energy gap here in the United States.
The group has called for a day-long meeting shortly after the July 4th holiday, but that hasn't happened either. What is happening? Prices keep rising. Oil is up 48%, gas is up 34% this year, and American voters are suffering. A recent CNN opinion research poll finds 77% of respondents now feel gas prices are extremely or very important to their vote. While lawmakers say they're listening, we know they're debating, as we just saw, but they're not doing much beyond that. And, at this point, there's no argument that hasn't been heard and hashed and rehashed already. So
well, I get kind of a kick out of that poll that you just quoted. 77% say it's important to their vote. If that's the case, they won't be voting for either Obama or McCain. They've been part of the problem.
Exactly, 4 months
Boone
away.
Pickens is the only guy I've heard say point blank, here's an approach that would work. And I think he's at least partly right, and he's begun at least a very important conversation. But the fact that it has to come from Boone Pickens, I've known him for a long time, smart fellow, that sort of tells you about what's going on in Washington, D.C.
Right.
Thank you very much, Carrie. Carrie Lee.